Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make your money make sense. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for young adults. Smart money moves to build wealth in your 20s. Your 20s are a prime time to set the foundation for your financial future. So stick around as we share 7 powerful strategies to help you build wealth and secure your financial future. Grab a pen and paper, take notes, and let's get started on this journey together. These are actionable steps that anyone can implement, and they make a huge difference over time. So without further ado, let's dive into the first smart money move, starting to save early. First up, start saving early. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Building an emergency fund should be your first step. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This emergency fund acts as your financial safety net, ensuring you can handle unexpected expenses without going into debt. Next, take advantage of high-interest savings accounts. These accounts offer better returns than traditional savings accounts, so your money grows faster. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings account can also help you stay consistent. By automating your savings, you make it a priority and ensure you're consistently building your financial cushion. Now, let's move on to our next strategy, investing in your education. Investing in your education can yield significant returns in the long run. Think about it. The more skills and knowledge you have, the better your earning potential. Consider pursuing advanced degrees or certifications that can boost your career prospects. Continuously developing new skills relevant to your career is another smart move. Look for opportunities to learn new skills, whether through formal education, workshops, or self-study. Online courses are a great way to expand your knowledge without breaking the bank. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer a plethora of courses on various subjects. Networking is also an important part of investing in your education. Attend industry conferences, join professional groups, and connect with mentors who can offer guidance and support. Now let's talk about living below your means, a fundamental principle for building wealth. Living below your means is key to building wealth. It's about making smart financial choices. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. Understand where your money is going and avoid debt. Use credit cards responsibly to avoid financial trouble. Pay off the balance in full each month. Smart spending is crucial. Prioritize needs over wants. Adopt a minimalist lifestyle. Now let's move on to our next strategy. Starting to invest early. Starting to invest early can significantly grow your wealth over time. The power of compound interest means that the sooner you start, the more your investments can grow. Contribute to a 401k or IRA for tax advantages and potential employer matches. Build a diversified portfolio to spread risk and achieve stable returns. Regular, consistent contributions are key to growing your investments. Next, let's discuss building credit wisely. Building a good credit history is essential for your financial future. Your credit score affects everything from loan approvals to interest rates. Use credit cards responsibly and only charge what you can afford. This helps you avoid interest charges and builds a positive payment history. Monitoring your credit score is crucial. Regularly check your credit report for errors. Make timely payments and reduce your credit utilization. Avoid excessive debt and keep your credit utilization below 30%. Having multiple income streams can enhance your financial stability and boost your wealth-building efforts. One way to do this is through side hustles. Identify skills or hobbies that you can monetize, whether it's freelance writing, graphic design, tutoring, or even dog walking. Side hustles can provide additional income and diversify your earning potential. Investments are another excellent source of additional income. Consider income-generating investments like dividend stocks or rental properties. These investments can provide a steady cash flow and grow your wealth over time. Passive income is a powerful way to create wealth with minimal ongoing effort. Look into opportunities like royalties from creative work, affiliate marketing, or creating an online course. The goal is to create income streams that continue to pay you over time. Now let's move on to our final strategy, planning for retirement early. Planning for retirement early ensures a comfortable and secure future. Open and contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. These accounts offer significant tax advantages. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Take full advantage of employer matches. Contribute enough to get the full match. It's free money that boosts your savings. Max out this benefit if possible. Have a long-term perspective. Avoid early withdrawals to prevent penalties. Start planning now for a secure future. So, there you have it. 7 smart money moves to build wealth in your 20s. Remember, the actions you take now can set the stage for a prosperous financial future. Start saving, investing, and planning today to reap the rewards tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take control of your financial future, start building wealth today, and stay tuned for more tips on living your best life. Until next time, keep learning, growing, and making smart money moves.